Most phones do not have tracking and remote disabling enabled by default, but it's worth a try if the lost phone was a smartphone. In many cases, especially if you lost a non-smart mobile phone, the best you'll be able to do is contact your service provider and suspend network and data usage, without protecting your personal data. There are many remote phone tracking apps available, but these almost always need to be installed and registered with the physical phone in your hands, before it is stolen. Method 1 of 2. First, disabling a stolen iPhone. Use this for iOS 8, or if you enabled Find My iPhone. The Find My iPhone feature has been available for years, but is only enabled by default in iOS 8. 1. If you are using an operating system from before September 2014, this method will only work if you enabled Find My iPhone through Settings, right arrow iCloud, or specify that you wanted Find My iPhone enabled when you set up your device for the first time. Find My iPhone can only be enabled after linking your iPhone to an iCloud account, using the same settings menu. To log into your iCloud on a computer or another Apple device, log on to iCloud.com, then click Find My iPhone. If you are using another phone or tablet, you can instead download the Find My iPhone app from your device's app store. Neither the app or website are available on Android phones or tablets. Find My iPhone apps for Android are not made by Apple, and are typically very slow and buggy. 2. You can access the website on any computer operating system, not just Mac. 3. Select the stolen phone. Click the image of the stolen device. Even if the phone has all the necessary settings enabled, it will only appear if it is turned on and has a working signal. If the phone is not listed, try again periodically to see if the thief has turned it on. Unfortunately, clever thieves can set the phone to airplane mode so they can crack your passwords without being accessible to this service. Don't assume that your data is safe just because you don't see the phone listed. 4. Use the map to find your phone's location. If location service settings were enabled on your phone as well as Find My iPhone, it should appear as a dot on the map. A green dot means the phone is online and the dot shows its current location. A gray dot means the phone is offline and its last known location is displayed. 3. 5. Use the available settings to protect your iPhone. With a stolen device selected, click the small blue eye icon. 4. There are several ways you can protect your phone using the menu items listed. Using them in the order listed below is recommended. Remote lock or lost mode will set a new 4-digit PIN required to access your phone. Remember this PIN so you can access your phone if it is retrieved. Send message will display a message on the screen. Typically, this is used as a warning that the phone's location is known, and or a promise of a reward if the phone is returned anonymously. You can also play sound to alert the thief that there is a message. Remote wipe is a last resort option that will remove all data from your phone, returning it to default settings and deleting all non-default apps. This should still allow you to track the phone if it is in lost mode, but some users report. Method 2 of 2. Disabling a stolen Android phone. 1. Don't change your Google account password yet. Most remote disabling methods require your phone to be linked to your Google account. If you change your Google account password due to security risks, you will have much less control over your device remotely. 6. Changing the password after the phone is disabled is a good idea, since the thief could have access to your account. 2. Use Android Device Manager. Visit google.com/android/device manager and log into your Google account to access these settings. Any Android device that has been linked to your Google account should be listed, as long as it has been updated since August 2013. Any visible device that is turned on and has location tracking enabled should be marked on the map. Select Lock, Disable, or Erase all data if they are available. These will only work if they were enabled in advance, using Settings right arrow Security right arrow Device Administrators right arrow Android Device Manager. 7. 3. Use your Samsung account. If your Samsung smartphone was stolen, and you registered it with a Samsung account, visit findmemobile.samsung.com/ and log into that account. Select your device on the left to track the phone's location, lock it with a new password, or wipe all its data permanently. 4. Install Android Lost remotely if you use Android 2.2 through 2.3.7. Android Lost is one of the few tracking apps that can be installed and registered remotely after your phone has been stolen. Unfortunately, this remote installation feature is only available for the Froyo and Gingerbread builds of Android from May 2010 through January 2011. On later versions of Android, the app will not start running until it is opened on the phone itself. 8. 9. The device must also be online and linked to your Google account. If you are lucky enough to use this version of Android, install the app from your computer through the App Store online, selecting your stolen phone. After installation, register the app by texting your phone Android Lost register from any phone. 10. To access Android Lost controls, whether you registered remotely or in advance, visit androidlost.com/controls and click the Sign In button on the top right. Log into your Google account, and you will be able to track the location of the phone on a map, lock the phone, erase your SD card, and more. 11.